Have you noticed that after the age of 60, your eyes are no longer as sharp as they used to be? When you read the newspaper, the words become blurry. When you watch television, you have to squint. And when you drive at night, the streetlights and headlights shine so brightly that it becomes uncomfortable. Many people then think, that is just the natural rule of aging. I guess I have to accept it. But the truth is, it does not have to be that way. Many scientific studies have shown that there are simple, familiar fruits that you can easily find in supermarkets in the United States, and they have the power to protect your eyes, slow down macular degeneration, prevent cataracts, and even improve your vision in a noticeable way. In this video, I'm going to reveal to you the top 7 golden fruits for your eyes after 60. They are not only tasty and easy to enjoy, but they are also like a natural medicine that keeps your eyes bright and healthy every single day. And at the end of this video, I will share with you a very interesting recipe called the Vision Recovery Bowl, along with a simple 30-day plan so that you can start right away, step by step, nourishing your eyes again. Before we go into each fruit, I want to ask you one thing. How many of these 7 fruits do you think you have already been eating? Take a guess and leave a comment, and at the end of the video, we will compare and see if your answer was correct. The very first fruit on our list is kiwi. It looks small with its fuzzy brown skin, but inside it holds a huge source of nutrition for your eyes. Did you know that just one kiwi contains 3 times more vitamin C than an orange? Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that protects the lenses and the retina from sunlight damage and the aging process. Even more, kiwi is one of the rare natural sources rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 nutrients that act like the natural light filters inside your eyes. They work silently, helping reduce the damage caused by blue light from your phone, computer, and television, things that even after the age of 60, we still have to face every single day. The great thing about kiwi is that it is very easy to add to your daily meals. You can eat it fresh, slice it into yogurt, or toss it into your lunch salad. One small habit with big benefits: 1 kiwi a day can help your eyes fight dryness, reduce eye strain, and even lower the risk of macular degeneration as you get older. So if there is one simple fruit to begin your eye care journey, kiwi is the perfect choice to get started. If kiwi is the vitamin C shield for your eyes, then blueberries, the little blue-purple berries, are called the blue pearls of vision. Blueberries contain a special compound called anthocyanin. This is a very powerful antioxidant that improves blood circulation to the retina, which means your eyes receive more oxygen and more nutrients. As a result, you will notice less eye strain and dryness when reading for a long time or using your phone and computer. What is fascinating is that anthocyanin in blueberries also enhances your ability to see in the dark. That is why World War II pilots were believed to eat a lot of blueberries to improve their night vision. And for you after the age of 60, this is incredibly useful, especially when driving at night or moving around in low light conditions. The good news is that blueberries are so easy to enjoy. You can eat them fresh as a light snack, sprinkle a handful into your morning cereal, or blend them with yogurt into a smoothie. Just 1 small handful a day quietly powers your eyes, keeping them sharper and more flexible. So now we have kiwi and blueberries, 2 tiny fruits that silently stand guard, protecting your eyes every single day. If kiwi and blueberries bring freshness, then mango is the sweet tropical gift for your eyes after 60. Mango is loaded with beta-carotene, a form of provitamin A that your body converts into vitamin A to nourish the retina. This is the very nutrient that helps you see clearly in dim light. Without enough vitamin A, your eyes easily become dry, blurry, and may even lead to night blindness. Not only that, but mango is also rich in vitamin C, vitamin E, and fiber, which fight free radicals and support digestion, an extra bonus for overall health after 60. The best part is mango is both delicious and versatile. You can slice a ripe mango to eat fresh, blend it into your morning smoothie, or toss it into a colorful lunch salad. Each serving brings not just natural sweetness, but also a powerful vitamin boost for healthy eyes. So if kiwi is the antioxidant warrior and blueberries are the night vision booster, then mango is the golden light for your retina, helping you maintain sharp vision and enjoy life to the fullest. After the sweet taste of mango, we move on to a more familiar but equally powerful fruit, dark grapes, especially purple and red grapes. What makes grapes so special is resveratrol, a famous compound with strong anti-inflammatory effects that protects blood vessels. Your eyes are filled with tiny blood vessels that feed your retina, and when these vessels stay healthy, your vision becomes clearer and stronger. Not only that, the antioxidants in grapes also lower the risk of cataracts, one of the most common causes of vision loss after 60. When your eyes are freed from the attack of free radicals, your sight feels brighter and more comfortable every single day. Another great advantage is that grapes are extremely easy to include in your diet. You can enjoy them fresh as a light afternoon snack, press them into juice, or even freeze them and eat them as a refreshing summer treat. So if kiwi is the antioxidant shield, blueberries the night vision treasure mango, the golden light for the retina, then dark grapes are the protector of the blood vessels in your eyes, helping maintain strong, healthy vision for years to come. When it comes to dates, most people immediately think of a sweet fruit, often seen in Middle Eastern dishes or festive occasions. But few realize that dates are actually a nutrition treasure for the eyes, especially after 60. Dates are rich in zinc and vitamin B6, two essential nutrients for the health of your optic nerves. Zinc acts like a bridge, helping transport vitamin A from the liver to the retina to produce melanin, the natural pigment that protects your eyes from harmful light. Without enough zinc, your night vision drops dramatically. Not only that, but dates also contain plenty of flavonoids and carotenoids, powerful antioxidants that reduce silent inflammation in the body, the very process that accelerates macular degeneration and eye aging. The best part is you do not need to eat a lot. Just 2 to 3 dates a day instead of candy already give your eyes a priceless dose of nutrients while also supporting digestion and heart health. So if kiwi, blueberries, mango and grapes act as protective walls for your eyes, then dates are like the quiet engineer who maintains your optic nerve system, keeping your vision well connected and efficient. A natural sweet treat that delights your taste buds while nourishing the light of your eyes, dates truly deserve a place on this golden list. Oranges are certainly a fruit you already know very well. A glass of fresh orange juice in the morning, sweet, refreshing and cooling, has been a habit in many families. But few people know that for oranges to unleash their full eye-protecting power, we need to eat the whole segments, including the thin white membrane, not just drink the juice. That is because this white layer contains hesperidine, a rare compound that strengthens the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. When these blood vessels are strong, your retina is better nourished, lowering the risk of macular degeneration and preventing retinal bleeding caused by aging. On top of that, oranges are a rich source of vitamin C, an antioxidant proven to slow the development of cataracts while boosting your overall immune system after 60. The special thing about oranges is that you can easily add them to your daily diet. Try eating the full orange slices instead of just drinking the juice. This way, you get the vitamins, extra fiber, and the precious hesperidine compound for your eyes. So, if kiwi is the vitamin C shield, blueberries are the blue pearls of vision, mango is the golden light for the retina, grapes are the blood vessel protector, and dates are the engineer of the optic nerves, then oranges are truly the natural doctor for your eyes' blood vessels, silently keeping your microcirculation strong and steady through the years. And finally, the brightest star in our list is goji berries, tiny bright red, often seen in teas or soups in Asia, but one of the most powerful fruits for your eyes, especially after 60. In traditional medicine, goji berries have been used for thousands of years to nourish both the liver and the eyes, two organs closely connected. But modern science has now confirmed their remarkable power. A study from the University of California found that just 28 grams of goji berries a day, over 90 days, significantly increased macular pigment optical density, the natural shield that protects your eyes from blue light and ultraviolet rays. That means clearer vision, less glare, and slower macular degeneration. Even more, goji berries are extremely rich in zeaxanthin, a carotenoid that the eyes need but the body cannot make on its own. What makes goji berries unique is that their zeaxanthin comes in the most easily absorbed form found in nature, making them a golden source of nutrition for the retina. The great thing is there are many easy ways to enjoy goji berries. You can soak them in warm water and drink them like tea, add them to your morning porridge, toss them into a salad, or simply sprinkle them over yogurt. Just a small handful a day gives your eyes a natural rejuvenation dose with no side effects. If all the other fruits, kiwi, blueberries, mango, grapes, dates, and oranges, act like guardians protecting different parts of your eyes, then goji berries are the red jewels, the secret weapon that keeps your vision clear and sharp even into your 60s, 70s, or beyond. When you add goji berries to your diet, you are not only taking care of your eyesight but also sending yourself a powerful message. Age does not define my vision. I am the one who decides the light in my life. And now you may be wondering, that sounds great, but how do I put all these fruits into my daily meals without feeling overwhelmed? Do not worry, I have prepared a very simple but incredibly effective recipe for you. It is called the Vision Recovery Bowl. This will be a quick, delicious, and nutrient-packed breakfast to nourish your eyes. The ingredients are 1 jar of plain Greek yogurt, rich in protein, low in sugar, and great for digestion. 1 sliced kiwi packed with vitamin C and lutein. 1 handful of fresh blueberries with anthocyanin to fight eye strain. 1 spoon of softened goji berries rich in zeaxanthin, the red jewels for the retina. A few walnuts or almonds full of omega-3 fatty acids to nourish the optic nerves. Just by mixing them all together in a bowl, you already have a breakfast that is not only delicious, but also a natural eye tonic to kickstart your day. But to really make this a long-term habit, I suggest a very simple 30-day plan, week 1. Add kiwi and oranges to your breakfast or your daily snack. Week 2. Add blueberries and dark grapes to your meals. Week 3. Replace sweets with a few slices of mango or some dates. Week 4. Complete the routine by adding goji berries to your breakfast and make it a habit you cannot live without. By going step by step, gently adding 1 new fruit each week, by the end of the month, you will realize that your diet has completely changed. Your eyes will feel more comfortable, your vision clearer, and your body more energized. This is not a strict diet. It is a simple lifestyle that brings youthfulness back to your eyes every single day. I remember a 65-year-old gentleman in California once shared with me, "Every afternoon when I read the newspaper, I had to hold it far away. The words were blurry, and at night the streetlights made me so dazzled that I was afraid to drive." But then he decided to try the eating plan I just shared, starting with kiwi and oranges every day, then adding blueberries, dark grapes, and finally goji berries in his breakfast. After 3 months, he called me, his voice full of excitement. "Now I can read the newspaper in the morning without glasses. I can go shopping without straining to see the price tags, and I feel so much more confident driving at night." That story made me even more convinced that age itself is not the reason our eyesight weakens. The real cause is nutritional deficiency and silent inflammation inside the body. When you nourish your eyes the right way, they can absolutely regain clarity and brightness even after the age of 60. So today we have discovered the 7 golden fruits for your eyes after 60: kiwi, the vitamin C shield; blueberries, the blue pearls of vision; mango, the golden light for the retina; dark grapes, the protector of your eyes' blood vessels; dates, the quiet engineer for your optic nerves; oranges, the natural doctor for your blood vessels; and finally the brightest star of all, goji berries, the red jewels that rejuvenate your eyes. We also learned how to prepare the Vision Recovery Bowl, along with a simple 30-day plan, to make these fruits a natural part of your daily life. The most important thing I want you to remember is this: your eyes do not have to grow weaker with age. When you give them the right nutrition, they will stay clear, flexible, and full of life even after 60, 70, or beyond. And now I want to ask you, out of these 7 fruits, which one will you start with tomorrow? Share your answer in the comments so that we can encourage and support each other. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and stay tuned for my next video about foods that keep your memory sharp and your mind clear after 60. I wish you bright eyes, a bright mind, and the joy to fully enjoy every moment of life.